Everyone wants to make a viral video so that they can become internet famous. But what exactly is a viral video? You know what it is. It's a video that has hundreds of thousands of views, or even millions of views, like funny cat videos. Or funny prank videos. Or amazing looking videos. That is what viral means to the general public, but we are doing something different in this course. Viral videos, to us, to our channel, mean videos that are the most popular on our channel, that are driving tons of traffic, that are related to our niche. For example, Frank Kern, a successful entrepreneur who makes millions of dollars per year, only has a channel of around 34K subscribers. He posts videos about online marketing. With the video section highlighted, when we look at the right-hand side of his channel and click Sort By, you can sort his videos by most popular. You can see his most popular video has 218K views. It is an interview he did with Tony Robbins. This is his viral video. It helps drive tons of traffic to his channel and is related to his niche, which is online marketing. Another successful entrepreneur is Kyla Kane, who posts business mindset videos. He only has 4K subscribers. When you sort his videos by most popular, you'll see his most popular video has 9.4K views. It is a video about getting out of a job that you hate. This is his viral video because it is driving tons of traffic to his channel and is related to his niche, which is business mindset. Here is one of my friends' channel, Cherry, who posts about baking and delicious desserts. You can see her most popular video has 4.4K views. This is her viral video. Why? You guessed it, it's the one driving tons of traffic to her channel and is related to her niche. Now, do you want to see a really interesting example? This is Christine. She is a violinist, and she posts her violin performances on YouTube. When you sort her videos by most popular, you'll see this one, the one with 7 million views. Wow, that's a lot of views. Now, you are probably tempted to say that this is her viral video, right? Well, let's take a look. Did you see what happened? The video is of her violin performance, but the reason why it got so many views was because a string snapped during mid-performance, which made it extremely interesting to watch. Now let's go back to her channel and take a look at her second most popular video. It has 773K views. Interesting, right? Another accident happened. A light bulb exploded during mid-performance, which got her a lot of views. This goes on for one more video where she plays the violin in an airport and is interrupted by a public announcement over the intercom. Another accident video that got her 513K views. Now comes the most interesting part of her channel. The fourth video got only 68K views. Why the sudden drop from 500K views to 68K views? Because the views from her most popular videos were coming from people who were watching because of the accidents. Let me ask you a question. Which is really the viral video that Christine cares about? These 3 accident videos? Or this 4th video with no accident? Unless Christine plans to come out with more and more accident videos, which I doubt, her 4th most popular video is her real viral video. Why? Because her niche is violin videos, not accident videos. You want to focus on creating videos related to your niche. That is how you can consistently grow your channel in the right direction. Interesting enough, a similar thing is happening on one of my channels. One of my channels is about entrepreneurship for beginners. This is my niche. See? It says it on the cover art. Start entrepreneurship the easy way. However, if you sort my videos by popularity, you'll notice that my most popular video is a sexy lingerie fashion show. What the hell? This is a video that I posted a long time ago when I attended a fashion show. Yeah, I guess it's entertaining to watch. However, even though it has over 252k views, this video is not my real viral video. Same thing with my second most popular video that got 107k views. It's a video of silly old me dressed up as a Star Wars clone trooper character and walking the streets. I can't believe this silly video got 100k views, but it's still not my real viral video. When you return back to my channel, you'll see this entire row, including the first two of the second row, all got a lot of views and yet are not considered my real viral video. Why? Because my channel is about entrepreneurship. Unless I plan to consistently go to sexy fashion shows or dress up in different costumes acting like a fool again, these are not my real viral videos. This video, titled How to Become Instagram Famous, it has 8k views. That's my real viral video, and it's also one of the videos that's consistently making me money, consistently bringing me viewers that turns into subscribers that turns into customers. Why? Because that's what my channel is really about. And that's the reason why I showed you all of these channel examples. Please don't focus on viral videos that's not related to your niche. They are not sustainable and they don't attract the right kind of viewers that will help grow your channel or your business. I mean, do you really want people subscribing to your channel hoping that you will have another accident? Or subscribing to your channel hoping to see more sexy girls or you wearing a ridiculous costume? Of course not. When you get a chance, go onto your YouTube channel and sort your videos by popularity. The most popular video that's related to your niche is your real viral video. That's the viral video that we care about. That's the video that we can duplicate time and time again. It's videos like these that will help you grow your channel in the long run. Our goal this week is to help fill your channel with real viral videos related to your niche so that anyone interested will subscribe and become a fan of your work. Sound fair? Great. Let's move on to the next episode where I will share with you the top 10 biggest mistakes in today's YouTube videos.